Hello, as you can see, my site is currently hosted on render.com and we are currently logged out. So when I go to my API docs and then I can perform a get request and I'll get all the courses in my courses collection in the student database. But when I try to post a course, sorry, just when I try to post a course, say let me try it out. I get you don't have access to this resource. That's because we are currently logged out. When I also try to put it when I try to put a course, let them just get one by an ID. Let's grab this one. And then I try to update it, form a put request on it. I also get an error that I don't have access to this resource. And so that's for the course database. And here when I come to the student info collection also, I can see that I have two students in my database. And so if I try to perform a post request, sorry, is a get. I try to perform a post request, try it out, execute. I don't have access to this resource. So also a delete request. When I try to delete my ID, I get that I don't have access to this resource. So now we are going to log in so that we'll be able to access other routes in our Swagger. So, okay, so as you can see, we are currently logged in. So when we go to our API docs, and now when we perform a post request, try it out. When we try to perform a post request, you can see the course is created successfully. So let's perform a get request so we can confirm that. As you can see, the course we just added is here. So let's check our MongoDB. So as you can see, our MongoDB is being updated. So let's perform a put request on the route. Um, so let's find a put request, try it out, and so we are going to change title to elementary biology, and the course code is going to be bio 101. So let's perform it. So course updated successfully. When we go to our get route and execute it, you can see that it has been updated to elementary biology. When we go to our MongoDB, just refresh the page, you can see that it has been updated to elementary biology. And okay, so let's work on the deletes. See, come to our delete route and try it out. Ctrl V, execute it. So if you check MongoDB, you'll find out that elementary biology has been gotten rid of. So now we can work on the students info collection. Let's try it out. So we can see that we've gotten the list of student information in our personal info collection under the student database, and that each um Each one of them has at least 7 fields, and so we can now perform a post request on it. So I would say posts and execute. We see that age must be a number, so that's coming from our data validation. So age must be a number, let's say 19, and GPA must also be a number. Just try to change it here. Let's say 5.0. And so when we execute, see that student personal information created successfully, and when we execute our get route, we can see that it's there. And when we check our MongoDB under the student information collection, we see that we have it. So let's grab it by ID and perform um a put request on it. So let's try to update it. So paste it. So we're going to say age is 20 now. GPA can say it's 5.0. Then we can say gender is male. Let's say name is John. John. So we can work with that. Execute it. Student information updated successfully. We check a MongoDB. Refresh the page really quick. We can see that it has been updated to the new values, and then we can also try the delete request on it. You can see now we can access this route because we are logged in. And let's check our MongoDB database. You can see that it's gone and it's updated. Thank you so much.